we'll guide you through how to check Blender version. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to find out which version of Blender you are using, start by locating the Blender icon on your desktop. Move your mouse pointer over to the Blender icon and click on it to open the program. Wait for Blender to finish loading. Once the application is open, a Start menu or splash screen will appear on your screen. On this Start menu, look toward the top right area. You should see a number displayed there. This number indicates the version of Blender that is currently installed on your computer. Take a moment to locate and read this number so you can identify your Blender version correctly. Another method is available once Blender is open. Go to the top left area of the Blender window. Near the file name displayed at the top, you will find another number. This number represents the Blender version you are running. Check it carefully and note the version if needed. There is also a third method that can be used while Blender is open. Move your attention to the bottom right corner of the Blender window. In that area, you will see a number displayed. This number is also your Blender version. Reading this number will give you the same version information as the previous methods. If you prefer not to open Blender, there is one final method you can use. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Once the Start menu appears, locate the search bar and click on it. After selecting the search bar, type the word Blender. As the search results appear, look for the Blender application in the list. Next to the Blender name, you will see a number. This number indicates the version of Blender installed on your computer. By using any of these methods, whether through the Blender Start menu, the top left section of the application, the bottom right corner of the window, or the Windows search function, you can quickly and easily determine which version of Blender you have installed and verify that information whenever necessary for updates, troubleshooting, compatibility checks, support requests, and future reference purposes.